Hey, cat lovers! Have you ever noticed your furry friend sneezing a lot around you? Well, here's a mind-blowing fact. Your cat might actually be allergic to you. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's totally possible. It's not you personally they're allergic to, but rather the things we carry on us. Think about it. The dust on our clothes, the tiny skin flakes we all naturally shed, even the perfume or lotion we wear. For some extra sensitive kitties, these everyday things can be major irritants. So, if you see your cat sneezing, scratching, or having watery eyes after a cuddle session, it could be a sign of an allergy. The good news is there are ways to manage it, like using air purifiers or switching to unscented products. If you're concerned, it's always best to check with your vet.